What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we're looking at the EcoFlow River 2 Pro. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Pretty much, we've reviewed an EcoFlow battery pack here before, and we're gonna show you a new one here that just came out from EcoFlow again. And let's see how well this one does. Should get it out of the box. Here's some instruction manual right here. It has the battery pack right there, and it comes with this box as well with a bunch of accessories. See what else in here. Set for that. Comes with a charger and plug-in adapter there. It comes with this little 12-volt cord, and also you can charge this on your car. DC 12-volt adapter there. Pretty nice. So it's for that. So this is the EcoFlow River 2 Pro, and pretty much in the middle here has the power button, and you'll see the information as well right on the screen there. Has 99 hours of battery left, 28% right there. And it would adjust, as you could see there, depending on how much power you're using. And it says there how much wattage as well is coming out, input and output. It has this 12-volt part right here where you can charge and use this for a few things to that has that 12-volt compatibility. For example, a battery that can charge from there, you can use that as well. You can turn it on and off by just clicking that. There's also these AC adapters or AC plug-ins, the normal home chargers right there, which you can turn on and off using this, and there's 4 of them down there as well. Up here there's USB-C ports and 4 USB-A's, as you could see there. The USB-C is good up to 100 watts, which is really good for if you want to charge in a faster rate. I use this mostly for my Super 99 batteries, the V-mount batteries. Those are needed for 100 watts, which is really nice to have there. On the sides, it has some vents, as you could see there. On the back is where you could charge it. As you could see, there's 2 ways. This is the 12-volt, plug into your car we mentioned earlier, and this is the normal AC slot right there where you can charge it. Vents on this side as well. Now there are a lot of features that EcoFlow River 2 Pro has the fastest charging speeds ever. Beats the industry charging speed standard. So for example, if you are putting all your clothes into your suitcase, it would take about an hour and a bit, right? And that is pretty much what you need to fully charge your River 2 Pro. It is 5 times faster than any portable power station on the market, and it's 27% quicker than previous generations. So it even beats old generation of EcoFlows. The LiFePO4 battery chemistry is safe to up to 10 years of use. It has a long-lasting LFP battery which you can charge and empty over 3,000. That's pretty much 10 years of everyday use and 6 times longer than the industry's average. With LFP cells, River 2 series is safe, durable, and high efficient even in high warm temperatures. This is also the first power station that's TUV Rainland safety certified. The River 2 Pro is a cut above the rest of the first portable power station in the world to earn the TUV Rainland certification for safety. With its high safety standard, the TUV Rainland certification means the security and reliability of your River 2 is guaranteed. It also has a smart battery protection system because it constantly monitors the voltage, current, and temperature of the River 2 Pro, with multiple aspects of protection, extending the life to the max. Now, with the X Boost that is good for up to 1600 watts. In a small form factor, you'll be able to have big power. You'll be able to actually use up to 80% of high wattage home appliances. Anyone can carry it as well. It is portable and light, up to 7. This one is 17.2 pounds, which is really good. It has 4 charging methods as well. You can get a solar panel from EcoFlow. You can charge it via 12 volt on your car. You can use a USB-C as well to charge this, which is really good. And also, like normal, you can plug it to the wall. Now let's look at the EcoFlow app. Here we go. With the EcoFlow app here, let's add the River 2 Pro right there, and we're gonna connect it to the Wi-Fi network. There it is. As you can see, it's super easy to use. So on the app is what you get out of this. It says here the available time is about 99 hours and 59 minutes. It will show you the battery percentage as well as 79%. It'll show you how much input it's there and the output as well, and what's plugged in on each one. Solar, if you're charging it through that. Now we have a what do you call this? The Avo, which is a frother, kind of like a milk warmer as well. We're gonna plug this in on here. As you can see here, gotta turn on the EC side of here. Now that that's turned on, you can then turn that on like so. And as you could see, when you have this on like so, you'll be able to see how many hours it will take, how many hours is left during this power, how much power is being used right now. As you can see there, the output as well, 594 watts. I'll show you that information right there, and the battery percentage here as well. So with this and with the 78% battery, I will be able to use this for 47 minutes. So usually when you're out and about, you kind of want a toaster, toast your bread when you're camping. I'll plug this guy in now, like so. And as you can see the wattage there, for 813 watts. And it'll show you as well that it'll run for about 33 minutes here. You'll be able to use this toaster for 33 minutes. Of course, you can use the whole thing for appliances here. And then on top of that, you'll be able to charge your phones, up to 4 devices right here. And then if you want, even plug in a DC, kind of like a fridge, small fridge on a DC side here. You'll be doing that without any problems at all. And I like how they have their own on and off switches as well, which is really good. Turn off, master on and off there as well, which is really nice. So it says here that the overall capacity here is 768 watt hour, which is 40 amp hour and 19.2 volts. The discharge temperature here is minus 10 up to 45 degrees Celsius. The charge temperature is going to be around 0 to 45 degrees Celsius. The AC input here is 10 amps max, and it's good up to 100 to 120 volts. Solar, you can plug in a solar here, which you probably need. It says here that 1050 watts is what it needs. For solar, it says here that it needs to be 11 to 50 volts up to 220 watts max, 13 amps as well. The total output is 1050 watts. DC output is 126 watts max, good for 10 amps, 3 amps, up to 12.6 volts. AC outputs are 120 volts and 6.7 amps total to 800 watts. Again, it's converted here. It says total max here is up to 1000 watts. USB-A ports are 12 watts, which is a total of 24 watts. 2.4 amps as well. A USB-C is 100 watts max, as mentioned earlier. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new EcoFlow Rever 2 Pro. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link. It does help the channel a lot, so go ahead and check that out. If you have any questions, I'll be in the comments below. Let me know what you think of this. I definitely recommend this for everyone who likes camping. Definitely more for the lightweight version. There is a Rever 2 Max if you want one for a backup for home. This is not made for a backup for home. You can still use this for that, but it just won't last as long as the Max. So make sure to check out other EcoFlow battery packs because they're really good. That's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.